Australia's native freshwater fish are really nomadic critters, and being able to migrate freely up and down our rivers is an important part of their survival. And of course, since European settlement, we've built all these barriers to their migration, particularly on the Murray-Darling system. There's close to 4,000 barriers to fish migration, and it's really limited their ability to move up and down the rivers and repopulate stretches of it. So these fishways are an important strategy for getting the fish moving again and lifting their population. Australian native freshwater fish have got quite unique needs when it comes to fishways, and they're not going to jump up a fish ladder like a trout or a salmon in Canada. We have to think that our big fish need gentle gradients to get them up the rivers, and we also can't forget these little blokes that need to move up and down the rivers as well.